everyone. I am your reading friend Gabrielle, a grade 1 student from Catholic Filipino Academy Homeschool, Team Fortitude. The story that I'm going to share with you is about the two animals, the tortoise and the bird, written by Paul Nundiv and illustrated by Yvonne Pierotti. The story happened on one fine afternoon. The main characters are the tortoise and the bird. Are you ready to listen? A tortoise was resting under a tree on which a bird had built its nest. The tortoise spoke to the bird mockingly. "What a shabby home you have! It is made of broken twigs. It has no roof and looks crude. What's worse is that you had to build it yourself. I think my house, which is my shell, is much better than your pathetic nest. Yes, it is made of broken sticks, looks shabby, and is open to the elements of nature. It is crude, but I built it and I like it." On one contrary, the bird replied, "My home has space for family and friends. Your shell cannot accommodate anyone other than you. Maybe you have a better house, but I have a better home," said the bird happily. New words. Perch. Sit or rest. Shabby. Despicable or disreputable. Dingy. Dark or dim. Crude. Simple or basic. Rugged. Bumpy or rough. Envious. Jealous. In this story, we have learned that we would rather be poor and happy in the company of our family than being wealthy and alone in a huge mansion. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.